Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create elegant headline spacing using tracking in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for a banner design. First I type a headline using a modern serif font. Then I highlight the text and access the character panel to adjust tracking. After that I increase tracking to give the letters more breathing space. Now I duplicate the layer to test tighter spacing and compare visual impact. Next I apply subtle layer styles like soft shadows to lift the text from the background. Then I align the headline with guides to ensure consistent spacing across all letters. After this I refine tracking gradually while checking readability at different